How do you save a document video in the gallery on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If it's your first time here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So if you have a video stored in the Documents app, which is the Files app, right, you can find it as such. And in order to move it from this app to the gallery, just basically make sure you locate it as such. It might be a photo or video, but the point is that you open it up like this and click on the sharing tools, and you should see the button to save the video, right? So it should open up or be presented to you right away. It literally has like a circle with a down arrow, and you can just save it from the Files app to the Photos app. The same thing applies to the photos and like pictures as well. In that case, it will say just save the picture to the gallery, right? But the process is exactly the same, right? So basically, that's how you can move a video stored in the Files app to the gallery, right? That is how it works, but only for the video formats which get or which are supported, because sometimes it might happen that you have like a video stored in the Files app, but you cannot really play it or move it to the gallery. In that case, I like to utilize a different video player. Personally, I always go with the VLC, which is great. It works well. And the way that it would work there is that as long as you download the app from the App Store, you should see a new folder within your Files app, and anything which you move into that folder will be playable and viewable inside of the actual VLC app. So this works out well for some different formats of the videos, which perhaps might not be supported in the iPhone gallery. So I personally find that to be pretty useful as well. Now, let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you needed. I really appreciate your support. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.